The Neverfail website makes registering services and repairs for your water equipment effortlessly simple. To submit a service request anytime or letting us know if there are any issues with your cooler, log in using your existing Neverfail account details. Next, navigate to My Account, then select My Equipment on the left-hand menu. Here you'll see all your Neverfail equipment across all your locations. At the bottom of the screen you'll also see any completed, pending or scheduled service requests. To schedule a new service request, click the Submit Service Request button, fill out the details giving as much detail as possible and click Submit. Our customer care team will receive your submission and take the next steps to address the request on your next scheduled delivery. If the request is urgent, please include that in your comments and we'll attend to it as soon as possible. For more help with Neverfail account management, visit our frequently asked questions page or speak to one of our friendly Neverfail customer care team.